Hello kids, it's Mr. Ag here, and for your word study today, Monday, November 9th, you are going to be sorting short U and long U words. Okay, so they're going to mix it up on you a little bit today. We've got several categories that they ask you to notice that can help you make the long U sound. Now remember, the long U sound is actually two sounds. It counts as oo or you. So if the U says its name, you, or if you hear the sound ooh in the word, you're also hearing what is called the long U sound. So in the patterns, in the spelling patterns, they give you a couple of examples here. They give you consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E, and in this case, that vowel here would be a U, so the silent E would make it say oo or you. Or you've got a consonant, vowel, a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, which is a vowel team. So two vowels that sit side by side, we call them vowel teams. And in this case, you've got two different vowel teams to look for to make the long U sound, oo or you. And so you've got UI together, like in the word fruit, and OO together, like in the word food. Okay, so be careful not to use words like foot, because foot has OO in it as well, but it has an sound, not an oo sound. So we're really paying attention specifically to the sounds in the words. So you've got four U columns, U sound columns, and one oddball column. Okay, and that's when you've got a sound that either isn't a U sound at all, or it's a U sound that doesn't fit the pattern that it's supposed to make according to these spelling patterns. So here we've got the short U column, like in the word crust. Is the short U, and that's commonly a consonant vowel consonant pattern. So you notice we've got a consonant blend here at the beginning and a consonant blend here at the end, but we still have the consonant at the beginning, a single vowel, no silent E, so that codes it to say the short U, Okay, and here we've got this silent E at the end, which makes the U say its name, cube. If this was a T, though, at the beginning, it would say tube. So you would hear both of those U sounds, oo and U. Now we've got the UI, which is a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. In other words, you see these two V's together, you're thinking vowel team. So you've got UI, fruit, fruit. And here we've got another vowel team, OO, together that makes food. So when you look at this list, your job is to cut and paste them into the correct columns, but first, reading them out loud, saying them to yourself, listening for the and oo sound or any other sounds that you might hear as you're reading these words. I'll go ahead and read them once to you. If you'd like to stop and start the video so you can hear them as you're working, that'd be a fine thing to do. I'm just going to go straight down the columns. Here we go. Prune, bump, tooth, grunt, built, crude, suit, cute, flute, build, bruise, plus, spoon, cruise, bloom, skunk, trust, smooth, juice, mule, and moon. I heard two oddball words here. As I read through those, I heard two UI words that instead of making oo, they make I. Okay, and they're both related to each other. So there are two oddball words in this list to sort out of the U sound words. All right, guys, the last page is a page like the ones that we had in the beginning, but instead of just doing two categories, you've got four categories of words to write. So you're sorting the short U, sound words, long U, cube. It's got the silent E that codes the U to say its name. vowel team UI words that you're going to write here, and vowel team OO words that you're going to write here, like in food. So your word list is here. These are the words you're sorting. Um, and in our writing, we're always trying to be neat, organized, and beautiful. So do your best. We use the red line here as the baseline, the dotted line as the midline, and your capital letters or tall letters go all the way up to the blue line. Your descending letters should go down below the red line. And we are starting to pay attention to handwriting a little more in the classroom. So that was a little snippet of some of the things that I've been telling students in the classroom. All right, good luck with this assignment, and I hope you enjoy. This week we have several more sophisticated word study lessons that we're trying to work through. And so if you have any questions, make sure you send them to me by Schoology or send me an email, and we can talk about it. Good luck and enjoy. Hope you have a great day.